A very good morning to you all. Now it's your story time. The title of the story is The Dragon Who Wanted a Colorful Fire. As the title shows, the story is all about a dragon who wanted a big and colorful fire. Now let me introduce with the characters of the story. This is Mummy Dragon. This is Daddy Dragon. And this is Dub Dub. The story revolves around Dub Dub. Now let us start the story. Now who was Dub Dub? He is Dub Dub. Dub Dub was a little dragon. He was green, spotted and had a short tail. You can see the body of the Dub Dub is green and there are small spots on the body of the Dub Dub, and Dub Dub had a small tail. Mummy and Daddy were big. They had their own fires. You can see their big fires. And Dub Dub had a small fire. Dub Dub's mummy and daddy had big fire because they are big, and Dub Dub had small fire because Dub Dub is a small dragon. But Dub Dub wanted a different kind of fire. It should be big, bright and colorful, he thought. Now you can see what kind of fire he wanted. He wanted a big, bright and colorful fire. So the Dub Dub wished for a big colorful fire, like the colors on the feathers of a kingfisher, like the colors of the flowers in spring, and like the colors in the ocean. Isn't the fire Dub Dub wanted seems beautiful? Now let's see what happened when Dub Dub got this big and colorful fire. The next morning, when Dub Dub went out to play, a big colorful fire came out of his mouth. You can see the big colorful fire of the Dub Dub. This is the fire that Dub Dub wished for, isn't it? Yes. So the Dub Dub is very happy as he has got the fire he wished. But what happened is, Dub Dub's fire was so big that it burned all the flowers in the garden. All the animals ran away in fear. Now the Dub Dub was very sad. He didn't knew that his big colorful fire, for which he has wished, will burn all the flowers and nobody will play with him, because all the animals got afraid because of this big colorful fire. He was crying. He was very sad. Now Dub Dub wished for his old fire again. A big colorful fire was too much for him. Now the Dub Dub has understood that this big fire is too much for him and this will burn all the flowers. Nobody will play with him because everybody will get afraid to see this big fire. Right? So now he has wished for his old fire again, that small fire. Because Dub Dub is a small dragon, so he will have small fire. Now the Dub Dub was happy with his small fire. So what we have learned from this story is that we should be happy in whatever we have. Now I hope you all have enjoyed this story and learned something also. Bye bye. Take care.